You may know one of the biggest economic shifts in the world is happening right now, and you barely see it. While you're watching headlines about superpowers, conflicts, and market chaos, Vietnam is quietly rising. And this rise could impact the prices you pay, the products that you buy, the jobs you compete for, and the future that you live in. Because while many people are distracted, Vietnam is moving faster than you think. As you can see, for years, many people saw Vietnam as a low-cost manufacturing country. But if you still see Vietnam that way, you may already be looking at yesterday's story. Today, Vietnam is becoming one of Asia's most important growth engines through strategy, trade, infrastructure, education, and long-term positioning. If you follow where the world is going next, Vietnam has become a magnet for global investments. Companies are expanding there, factories are scaling, and exports are growing in there. Why does this matter to you? Because businesses go where they see opportunity. Vietnam offers what global companies want, and that's competitive labor, improving infrastructure, trade access, political stability, and strategic access to Asia. So when supply chains move, Vietnam is increasingly where they land. And if you use electronics, wear global brands, or buy everyday products, there's a growing chance Vietnam helped make them. And you see, this is where the story gets bigger. Vietnam is not just getting factories, but it's also getting relevance. As companies reduce overdependence on a single country supply chains, Vietnam has become a key connector economy. And it matters to you more than what you think. Because when supply chains move, prices, jobs, capital, and influences move as well. And countries that are ready can rise fast. Vietnam is proving that in real time. Many people assume growth only comes from low wages, but Vietnam's next chapter may be even stronger. The country is expanding into electronics, technology, advanced manufacturing, and digital industries. That means Vietnam is not only assembling products, but it's building capabilities. And when a country climbs that value chain, its economic power grows with it. And if you're watching the future, this is where you should pay attention to. The real story is bigger than Vietnam. It shows you something larger. Asia's rise is no longer a one-country story. From Vietnam to Indonesia to India and Southeast Asia as a whole, new centers of growth are emerging fast. If you only watch the old map of global powers, you may miss the new ones being built right in front of you. So what do you think? Is Vietnam just getting started? Or is it already further ahead than most people realize? Curious on what are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell for more vlogs. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.